How to process refunds. Press Refund button. Scan barcode on receipt. Scanned invoice is selected. Search by date. Search by sales amount range, customer, daily invoice number, item, receipt number, select item, scan UPC or search item. Press Done. Invoice is searched and selected. Scan barcode on receipt. Select the item to refund. Press again to deselect. Select item with multiple quantity. Enter quantity. Press OK. Press Refund button. Deduction amount can be entered. Press Payment Type button for refund. A confirmation window appears. Press Yes. The refunded item is now recorded in your sales history.